Hi, I'm Leiza, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Monday started quietly, with generosity being the virtue of the week. This week is the last week of our CCA program this year. Tuesday, the middle years had their weekly assembly. On Wednesday, and throughout the week, the early years performed their nativity plays. It was great to see so many supporters coming along to enjoy all the efforts of our staff and students. Thursday, the UES had their weekly assembly, where among other things, they awarded the CAS badges for this term. CAS stands for Community, Activity, Sport, and Service. Our week ended with the grade 6As watching the high school's SJIIES Got Talent. 2 new hot seat episodes aired in our weekly Friday afternoon assembly, and the winners of the house competition were announced. Thanks for joining us on The Week That Was. We'll see you again next week.